Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have a 2008 Mitsubishi Eclipse, and in this video I'll show you how to remove a radio. This is a very simple procedure actually, and let's start. So let's open the door, get inside. Okay, so here we go. So what we're gonna need? We're gonna need a butter knife, and what I'm doing, I'm also applying some tape over it. It could be any tape, just for, you know, safety measurement, just safety measurement, so we don't scratch the panel, because we're gonna remove it. And here goes the screwdriver to remove the bolts, to remove the radio from the dashboard. So let's start. So what we have to do first, we have to remove the panel. It goes off really easy, and what if I put you guys here? I think you should be able to see everything nice and clear. Okay, so what I'm doing here goes the knife, putting it here and just raising it up and wiggling out the radio, the cover. So over here we have a connector, and we will remove this one and put the panel here. To remove the connector, I just press this pin here. Just press the pin and remove. Very simple. Next step, we take the flat, the Phillips screwdriver, and remove 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is the next step. Let's do that. Okay, once we have our screws out, the radio is ready to get out. We just pull on it. Actually, we're gonna use 2 hands. I'm using 1 hand this far, and over here now we have different stuff like antenna, connectors. Again, pressing the middle piece here and pulling on it should do the trick. Well, yeah. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna disconnect all of these connectors. Alright, so I disconnected the connectors. It's easier to do it with 2 hands, but they just pop out. Okay, the antenna and this plug, they can't plug out, and connectors, you have to press the middle piece to get them out. Very simple. Okay, so here we have the radio code. Okay, so serial number, and I believe that this should be the radio code. Anyway, if you're buying the used radio, you just type in whatever Mitsubishi year, whichever year you have. Just go to eBay, type in Mitsubishi Eclipse 2008 radio. I believe they should be same with the 2010, 9, 7. Yeah, they should be same thing. This one is with CD changer. Okay, so once you have the new radio, you're gonna put it in same way. Just plug all the connectors in, and let's do this. Let's plug all the connectors in and then wiggle the radio back in place. Okay, I have all the connectors back in place. Okay, make sure all the holes are aligned. Take your 4 screws and put them back in. Okay, screws are back in place. Next step, let's connect the connector on top with the panel. So connecting the connect. Okay, it's actually our hazard light, and let's just wiggle the panel back in place. This, and just push it in. Up till it clicks. Everything should be nice and neat. Let's check it out. Yeah, works. So yeah, guys, this is how you do it. Very simple procedure. If this helps, press like, and have a great day. Bye.